Namaste. Now I am teaching Utthita Trikonasana, means extended triangle pose. In Sanskrit, Utthita means triangle. Asana means pose. This is extended triangle pose. Person who is suffering from severe back pain should not do this. Person who has undergone bypass surgery and back surgery should not do this. And pregnant ladies should not do this. This asana gives lateral bending to the spine, reduces excessive fat around the waist, thighs and the hips. This asana stretches and strengthens the legs, increases oxygen intake capacity and stretches the muscles in a sequence. Apart the legs sideways from 3 to 3.5 feet. Keep the arms in line with the shoulders sideways. Turn the legs sideways to the left. Left foot should be near 90 degrees, then right foot should be near 60 degrees. Keep the knees tightened. Tighten the thighs. Then exhale, bend the waist sideways to the left. Rest your left palm on the left ankle. Turn the head right side. If possible, if you are flexible, take the left hand down, rest your left palm on the ground, by side of the left foot, the left side. Turn the head right side. Keep the elbows and knees tightened. Avoid swinging as much as possible. Stay for 60 seconds with deep breathing. You should not stoop forward, you should go back. Shoulders, trunk and buttocks should be in a line. Like this. Join the fingers. Hold the pose for 60 seconds with deep breathing. Initially you can make it 30 seconds. Gradually you can increase to 60 seconds. Then inhale, turn the legs, inhale and come out, and turn the legs, come to the Tadasana pose and relax. You can jump if you want, or you can take it like this, then come to the resting pose and relax. You can rest for a while. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Should avoid dance in the position, means you should not shake. Try to maintain the stillness as much as possible. Here you can divide it if you want. When you do left side, you can take like this. Then when you do right side, then you can take like this. There you can do like this. Should be in the position for 60 seconds with deep breathing. Then inhale deeply and release. Come to the resting pose and relax. But you should start with one side of the yoga mat. Practice Utthita Trikonasana properly and get all these benefits. Asana is easy, but advantages are more. Practice daily. Happy time.